Hey, what's up? So this is my 2015 Honda Rubicon. I bought it in 2015 August, and I was actually going to buy a Foreman and ended up catching this on sale, automatic electric shift. I didn't get the power steering. I didn't want to spend another $900. I'm very happy with it. I had a lot of fun with it when I was 18, 19. I kind of quit riding it so much. It just got to be to the point where I really didn't enjoy riding much anymore. It was just too much of a hassle driving an hour to go ride somewhere, and it just like I said, it was just kind of a hassle. So as now it just kind of gets used here and there, mostly for like yard work and stuff. I've got around 1,300 miles. Let's see here, yeah, 1,367 miles. So it's pretty low miles. I've taken really good care of it. But I stumbled across some footage the other day of a check engine light issue I was having probably 2 or 3 years ago, and I just kind of want to put this video up there to see if anybody else is having that problem. It's not a big deal. It's actually an O2 sensor, and I'll put the little clip up there now of what the sequence was of the check engine light. But as you can see here, this goes right into the exhaust, the O2 sensor. See right there? And it just screws off. You can take a box-in wrench, so you can get it to focus. Take a box in, unscrew it off, then you'll have a clip here, connector. So what you do, come right up here, pop your seat off, get that out of the way, and you can come pop this off right here, and you squeeze. Nope, and get it off. There we go. Squeeze. And then you just pop that connector right off, and then you can put your new one in. Some people have a lot of issues with these. They'll go out all the time. I've only had one go out in the 5 years I've owned this four-wheeler, and the reason it went out is because I was cleaning my four-wheeler all the time. Go figure. But anyways, yeah, it's not a big deal to fix. If you're not sure that it is your O2 sensor, what you can do is film your check engine light sequence and call your local Honda store and see if you can send them a video, or go up there and show one of the mechanics the video. That's what I did, and they got me fixed up. You're probably looking at around anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks. I saw one on Amazon for 65. Just depends on you know, if you want to get it from your store or online. But it's not a big deal at all to fix. Like I said, though, that's what I recommend doing. You know, with all the stuff going on, if you don't want to go up there to your Honda store, just film the video, call them, and try to get one of their emails and send them the video that way. So that's another thing you can do. But it's super easy to fix. You do not need to be a mechanic to do this. Plastic pops off real easy. You can even go to the extent of popping this little clip off, although it's not really necessary. It's very easy to get back in there and get that off. So anyways, if that helps anybody, so I kind of wanted to put that out there. I remember I was having issues with that, and ended up not being that big of a deal. So, and don't think you have to fix it right away. It's just an O2 sensor, so you're not going to have catastrophic engine failure or anything. But if you're like me, you like to get stuff situated as soon as possible. There you go. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. Thank you. See ya.